Kia Motors has announced the start of pre-launch bookings for their upcoming Sonet compact SUV. The Kia Sonet SUV can be booked for an amount of Rs 25,000 starting from 20th August 2020. The company recently unveiled the sub-4 meter compact SUV in the country. The Sonet is scheduled to go on sale sometime in early September, with deliveries to start soon after its launch in the market. Kokyun Shim, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer for Kia Motors India, said, "The Sonet is Kia's answer to customers in the compact SUV segment who want style and substance, quality and features, performance and technology, comfort and safety in one compelling package." The Sonet has been engineered and built with Indian inputs and is a global model for Kia from India. India is the first country in the world where the Sonet goes on sale, and with the commencement of pre-bookings, we are confident our smart urban compact SUV will be warmly received in the country. The Kia Sonet will be the brand's new entry-level model and also the second made-in-India product following the Seltos. The Sonet has been spied testing multiple times over the past couple of weeks. There have also been reports revealing the brochure of the Sonet leaking its specifications, transmission options, features and trim levels. As per the reports, the Kia Sonet will be available in two trims, Tech Line and GT Line, both of which will further come with a number of variants depending on the powertrain and features. Talking about the powertrain, the Kia Sonet will be available with a choice of three engine options: 1.2-litre petrol, 1.5-litre diesel and 1.0-litre TGDI petrol. The 1.0-litre turbo petrol and the 1.2-litre NA petrol have been borrowed from its cousin, the Hyundai Venue, and will produce identical power and torque figures. The 1.5-litre diesel has been borrowed from its larger sibling, the Seltos. The diesel unit on the Sonet will be offered in two states of tunes. All engines will be offered with a choice of transmission options. This includes a 6-speed manual, 6-speed torque converter, 7-speed DCT and a 6-speed IMT. The Kia Sonet will also come with a host of features and equipment as well. This includes LED headlamps, LED tail lights, LED DRLs, LED fog lamps, stylish alloy wheels, large touchscreen infotainment system, digital display, cruise control, electric sunroof and a host of others. The Kia Sonet is one of the most awaited SUVs in the Indian market. Once launched in India, the Sonet is expected to be priced in the range of Rs 8 to 12 lakh ex-showroom. The Kia Sonet will take on the likes of the Maruti Suzuki Vitara Brezza, Ford EcoSport, Tata Nexon and also other upcoming models such as the Nissan Magnite and the Toyota Urban Cruiser. Thank you for watching DriveSpark. Like, share and subscribe to stay in the know of the latest happenings in the auto industry.